so small.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen. Today is going to be Farmhouse DIYs. I'm really excited about this. I'm making some DIYs for my 3-tier tray, and I'm also going to decorate it at the end and show you guys everything I have made. I am overly excited about this because my 3-tier tray has been like kind of tossed to the side for quite a while now, and I'm just really excited to get it the way I want. It's one of my favorite things to decorate, and I'm just really slacking right now. Also, I do want to thank Arteza for sponsoring this video today. They sent me over some really awesome items. I'm going to show you guys what they sent, and then I'm going to do a few DIYs with all of that. So without further ado, let's get started. So I just want to show you what Arteza sent me to start with. They sent me 45 of these wood slices. I have used these before and I absolutely love them. You can make ornaments, wreaths, they come with the twine. I love them. This is the vinyl. I have the white and the black, and this is all I use ever. They also sent the holographic. There's 8 sheets of this, and I haven't used those yet, but they're really cute. And then the paints, I've used the paints all the time, and I love them because they cover up so well. And then this is just the black because I needed the black. So I'm going to start with the black acrylic paint, and I am just going to be painting these wood slices this black and also their linen white color. And every time you guys see that I use vinyl in my videos for my silhouette, I use Arteza's. I love it just because it comes in sheets instead of rolls, and you get like a 50-pack for under $20 at times, and if there's a coupon you save even more money, which I think 20 bucks for 50 sheets of vinyl is a great deal, and it actually works amazing. I think I have only used Arteza vinyl in every single one of my videos. So I used my Silhouette Studio, and I cut these out with my Silhouette. I love the chickens and I love the cows. You guys know I love farm animals. I'm overly obsessed with this print, and I wanted to do it on another DIY. I'm making coasters, and then I'm going to be also making some beaded garlands. These goats, I have a couple goats at home, and I absolutely love them. These wood beads are from Hobknobin, and I absolutely love them. I love making these little garlands. They're super easy to do, and they're very, very relaxing. I could probably make 100 of these, if not more, but it's something that I really like doing. I would have made more if I wouldn't have ran out of beads. And I'm just using the twine that came with these wood slices, and they fit perfect. I love the way these are turning out. You could definitely like dye the beads or paint them, but I just like the natural look, so I am just leaving it there. I ended up making 3 of these. So I did a cow one, and then I'm doing 2 goat ones. I just love these so much. I want to put these in my 3-tier tray, so that's why I made so many of them. And then this is what they look like when they are all done. I just want to show you guys some close-ups of these. This is so fun to make. You could even turn these into ornaments. You could change the coasters that I did also into ornaments if you wanted to. Now, the wood slices are not that big for coasters, so I am going to tell you that if you do decide to make them, they will hold like a water bottle on it, or even like I like to use the bubble cups. Those keep your drinks so cold all summer long. Like, it will keep ice in it all day. I absolutely love those, by the way. But these are super cute. I did not seal them, but like I said, if I didn't want them to be coasters, I could definitely just change them into ornaments because they have the holes, and those would be super cute as well. Next, I'm going to be using the Espresso Brown by Arteza, and I'm just mixing it with a little bit of water, and this just makes a really great stain without actually having to buy stain, because acrylic paint is way cheaper to do it. You can do it with any type of acrylic paint, but I actually love this brown so much. I am just using a scrap piece of wood. I have a few of these. My neighbor usually gives me a bunch, and I salvage whatever I can, but she just kind of gives me scrap wood so I can burn it in our fire. We have a little fire pit out back we love using for the summertime, so we like to do that. Summertime, spring, fall, we use it all the time. Like I said, I'm just painting this, staining it, painting it. I'm technically painting it with watered down paint, but like I said, it does make a really nice stain. I did do the front and the back side, but I thought that I would just show you guys just the fast, quick job of it. Now I use my Silhouette once again and printed off this cute little duck decal. I think this is so cute. We have ducks at our home. We've had ducks for, I want to say 6 years now, 7 years. And I love when they're babies, and I love even when they're adults now. We don't have any babies right now, but they always just walk in a line. It's just one of my favorite things to watch them do, just like walking in a line. It's just the cutest thing. They walk to their house, they walk to our pond, and I don't know, I just love ducks. They're so stinking cute. I also wanted to print off Down on the Farm in the white vinyl, and I just love the way this little sign turned out, and this actually fits perfect at the bottom of the 3-tier tray. Right now, I just want to tell you guys I am having a secret giveaway on here. I'm going to be giving away 2 of these decals to 2 people. I will leave the link in the description box with the giveaway. You just enter your email and your name, and definitely click the link or you will not be in the giveaway. But I will be doing that secret giveaway, and you guys can pick out 2 decals of your choice that I have done in this video. So that is my secret giveaway, just to see if people are actually watching and listening. This last one is so easy. I grabbed this chalkboard stand from the Dollar Tree and just use this decal with the white vinyl. I love the white vinyl. I love the way it looks on black. I've been using this so much lately. I think I've used it in the last few videos. So like I said, this is not the first time I've used Arteza vinyl, just because like I said, I love their vinyl. I can't say it enough. So this I was having issues with, and I did mess up on one word or one letter. So if you guys know that one, let me know in the comments below. But this is what it looks like. So stinking cute. It's so easy, so simple, but I just love the way it looks. I didn't want to paint the frame. I wanted to leave it as is because I don't know, I like the natural wood today, I guess. So that is why I kept it just the way it was. Okay, so now I'm going to start decorating my 3-tier tray. Sometimes I like starting at the top, sometimes I like starting at the bottom. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter, but I love doing this. I added the Down on the Farm sign, and I think I may end up standing this up just a tiny bit, because when I was completely finished, and I'm still looking at it now, all the little ducks are covered up so you can barely see them. Maybe I should have, maybe on the back side I'll redo this and put everything up higher. So I didn't realize that when I made it, but I'm just adding some pieces of greenery, and these little milk cans came from Hobby Lobby. I've had them forever. Some of them were actually ornaments. After Christmas, I bought them super cheap. These little rolling pins came from Hobknobin. So cute. I redid those in a latest DIY video. And I will leave that linked below if you guys want to see that too. And these little candle holders came from Target around Valentine's Day. And then these little cups came from Hobby Lobby. I picked these up after Christmas, and I think they were 10 cents a piece. So cheap. I probably wish I would have. I kind of wish I would have bought more. I probably wish I would have. I kind of wish I would have bought more. I made that little black candle stand, and then I'm just flipping it around. I don't normally do the backs super nice. I kind of just store things in there that are in a 3-tier tray that I may use eventually, but I don't have anywhere to put them. And the Fresh Eggs Daily sign, my friend Courtney from Creative on the Cheap mailed that to me, along with the cow sign you're going to see. She picked them up at Dollar Tree. And the Farm Fresh Milk candle holder, that is also from Hobknobin, and I redid that. Hobknobin, they sell wooden decor pieces, so cute. And the Farmer's Market bucket back there came from Dollar General, and then here is one of the pieces I just made. I just think these are so cute, and they look so good no matter where you put them. You can put them in a tray, you can put them in a 3-tier tray, you can put them everywhere. You can wrap them around a jar. A lot of this greenery I just cut up and had left over. A lot of it I also did get from Walmart. I think most of it did come from Walmart, and I just cut it all up. And then there is the other cow picture, and I always change my mind when it comes to a 3-tier tray, and I just hit the camera. So you're going to see that everything might be changed around just a little bit at the end, just because it's I look at it and then I change my mind, and I like my 3-tier trays cluttered. Some people like them very empty and clean, but I feel like this is the perfect area to make messy and cluttered in your house, because you're not really, even if you have to dust, you just pick up one entire thing instead of 50, and that is just why I really like a 3-tier tray. So everything did fit in this tray, and I have this cute little wooden shelf / drawer This came from Legacy Home. This is so stinking cute. And I had all this greenery. I don't even know why I took this out because you're going to see I put everything back in and then redo it. But I wanted to redo this because it just seemed kind of boring and plain, and I really like mixing my dining room up. My dining room is the #1 spot in my house where I have most of my decor. I change it around. I clean things in there a lot and move things around. I love changing up my dining room. Every room in my house, I don't even have half my rooms decorated in my house. Like, can you believe that? Can you believe I don't even have rooms decorated in my house? But yeah, so you guys are going to see that I just keep redoing this, and I kind of just showing you step by step on this just because I feel like some people think that people just really know how to display things. I change things all the time, and there's things that I don't like that I decorate, and then I'll go back and redo it later. It's time consuming. It doesn't take seconds, and you know, I love moving things around, and yeah, so anyways, I just want to tell you that everything is not perfect and it takes time. This little candle holder, or this little terracotta pot holder, I recently made that in a latest DIY video. And then that little pitcher mug came from Dollar Tree. That is also from my sweet friend Courtney. And then I'm just adding another one of these little garlands in here with the goat. And I love the way this turned out. I ended up adding this goat garland in there that I did not show. But I am absolutely in love with my 3-tier tray. I am so happy with it. And I guess you can kind of see the ducks, just not as much as I would want. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And make sure you go check Arteza. I will leave their links in the description box below so you can check out them as well. And yep, if you are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!
Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to